Ready? Off we go. G, 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 g. T, t, t. P, p, p. Y. D, 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 d. Ah, ah, ah. W, v, x, z, l, b, b, b. Back to the beginning. Well done. Hi reception. Okay, so here we are today on Thursday with our super duper phonics. And I know you've been working so hard all week. You've been doing the E sound and now we're on to I, and you're doing an absolutely fantastic job. So here we are. Let's do our actions and our speed sounds with the digraphs, 2 letters that make 1 sound. Now I've hidden I in here, so when you see it, remember to wave, say hello, and make sure you know I, a light at night. Okay? Off we go. E, see the bee. A quick queen. Shh, a sheep in a shed. Chips and chops. A snail in the rain. The 3 thumbs. A duck in a truck. Hello, sound of the day. I, a light at night. Fabulous, and we're back to the beginning. Okay, so I, a light at night. We've got 3 letters that make 1 sound, this trigraph. Ig, okay? So it's a little bit like I in the fact that it sounds the same, but this is when we're using I for I went to the park, when you talk about yourself. And I is found in a word, okay, like light and like night. And like all those words that you've already read, because I know yesterday you did a super duper job. So I'm going to pop this here and we can use it and refer to it when we need it, okay? Now, I'm going to grab my pen, so you're going to need your pen and your whiteboard, and we're going to write some words and even a sentence. Okay, so let's read these words first and then get starting with our spooky sentence. So now we have off we go. I, t. What is it? Night. Well done, superstars. And the next one, s. Sound it out with me. S. I, t. S. I, t. Sight. Well done. And the next one, f. I, t. F. I, t. Fight. Fight. Good. Fight. So, the reason why I say my sentence is a bit spooky, because I wanted to make a word a bit like fight, but I wanted to make it a tricky word, like a consonant blend. Fright. Ooh, got a fright. So let me think, how can I put fright in a sentence? A fright at night. Does that sound good? A fright at night. It's all right. Maybe, let's see, I got a fright at night. That's better. I got a fright at night. It's a bit longer, and I think I can show off my phonics a bit better. So, which I is it? Now I know it's going to be a bit tricky. Now we've introduced the I sound, and we're knowing this I already. Sorry if you can see that I. Which one is it? So if it's I got a fright, which I is it? Is it this one? Or is it this one? Da, 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 da. It's that one. I'm going to start on this one just so it's a bit easy for me to write. I got a fright at night. Let's count those words. Oh, I've forgotten to count those words. I got a fright at night. Whoa, that's a long one. How many did you get? 6. Good. So did I. I got a fright at night. Good. We must be right then if we both got 6. I got. Let's stretch it. Got. And again. Got. Let's sound it out with our Fred fingers. Are you ready? Got. G. A. Good. Oh, you're doing a good job. I got. So, do I write it here? Really close to my I? No. Remember, I must leave a finger space. Okay. I, finger space, G. What's next? I, G. Up and all around the orange. I want to see all your gorgeous handwriting. Remember, it's a really big focus in reception. We must get our letters right. We must do them the correct way. So let's try our best when you're writing in your phonics at home to do them correctly. If you can give it a good try, I'll be looking on our tapestry when you upload to see if you've done a good job. Okay. I, G, A, T. Got. I got, good, it's a. I got a, so where does it go? Do I leave a space? I got a, remember it's just in the grass. I got a, now the word is fright. Fright. So you know what fright means, don't you? When you get scared or frightened of something or worried. So I got a fright. I was worried then because I saw something or something scared me. Fright. Let's stretch it. Fright. And again. Fright. Now, fr is a consonant blend and I'm not going to let it trick me. Do you know what 2 sounds I need? F and good. F and so I'm going to go up, remembering that my f goes in all parts of the sky, the grass and the ground. F, good. My consonant blend is not tricked us. F, I. Now the trigraph, 3 sounds, I. Don't let it trick us now. We're going to copy it. We're going to use it to help us. I, G. I love saying that. Igh. Can you say it? Igh. I. Obviously, when we sound it out, we don't say igh, but it helps us to remember what I's got inside it. All right. I got a fright. Is that right? Fright. Have I done all the sounds I need? I'm going to read this word to check it. I missed the sound. Oh, I'm a cheeky sausage. Fright. Good. I got a fright. Now, I really won't be able to squeeze it on there, so I must start on the next line in the grass. I got a fright at. Oh, I can do that. At. Good. And I got a fright at. And then my last word. I got a fright at night. Now I need to leave a finger space and I'm going to write my word night. Stretching it for me, everybody. Night. Night. Now, what's the first sound in night? Night. Night. Now, is a stretchy sound. Now, is this right? Doesn't look right. Oh, I think I've just gone a bit ginormous. Right, I'm going to try again. Practice makes perfect. Let's get it right again. I think it might be just in the green bit. Let me try that. Oh, yeah, that's way better. And then my next sound, I. 3 letters that make that sound. Oh, beautiful. I. T. Good. Oh, you're so good at your phonics. You're working really hard. I got a fright at night. Now, I nearly forgot yesterday, but I'm not going to let it trick me, and I'm remembering my... Yay! Full stop. And remember, it's beautiful. It's not a big golf ball. Okay. So, I got a fright at night. Finished. Gorgeous sentence. Now, I really look forward to seeing your beautiful work. You're working so hard. And it's the last day we're going to do I. So make sure you got all your trigraphs beautiful. I, g, h, to make the I sound. I look forward to seeing all your gorgeous writing.